from Rotaract Club of VIT, along with the Rotary Club of Fellow Presidency, jointly presents Literacy for All. In our country, right to education is an essential right of every children. शिक्षा स्वयं में माता सरस्वती का रूप होती है. So, join your hands, fasten your seat belts, and get ready to take an amazing ride in the worlds of education. आज का विषय है वर्णमाला. In English, these are called as alphabets. These individual letters come together to form a meaningful word or a sentence. What does this in Hindi means? इन्हें हिंदी में वर्णमाला कहा जाता है. वर्णों के समूह को वर्णमाला कहते हैं. दूसरे शब्दों में हम इसे यह भी कह सकते हैं किसी भाषा के समस्त वर्णों के समूह को वर्णमाला कहते हैं. So, as said earlier, these are the groups of words come together to form a meaningful word or a sentence. In Hindi, there are 45 alphabets, in which 35 are known as Vyanjan and 10 are known as Swar. हिंदी भाषा में वर्ण दो प्रकार के होते हैं. In Hindi language, there are two types of alphabets. First, Swar. In Hindi, it is known as vowels, and second, Vyanjan, in English known as consonants. What are swars? Swar, also known as vowels in English. वे वर्ण जिनका उच्चारण स्वतंत्र रूप से किया जाता है, अर्थात इनके उच्चारण में अन्य किसी की सहायता नहीं ली जाती है. इन्हें स्वर, also known as vowels. These are total 13 in number. For examples, a a, e u u, e o o, ang ah. In English, these are known as a, e, I, o, u. Vyanjan, also known as consonants in English. जिन वर्णों के पूर्ण उच्चारण के लिए स्वरों की सहायता ली जाती है, वे व्यंजन कहलाते हैं. For pronunciation of consonants, we need help of these vowels. These are known as consonants. These are total 33 in number. आइए अब हम स्वर के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. अ से अनार. In English, it means pomegranate. आ से आम, which in English means mango. ई से इमली. ई से ईद. ऊ से उल्लू, which in English is known as owl. ऊ से ऊन, which in English means wool. रू से ऋतु, which in English means seasons. ए से एक. ए से ऐनक, in English known as spectacles. ओ से ओट. औ से औरत, which in English means women. अंग से अंगूर, which in English means grapes. प्रातः काल, which in English means morning. आइए अब हम व्यंजन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Let's learn about व्यंजन. अ से अलम. अलम means pen. ख से खरगोश, which in English means rabbit. ग से गमला. घ से घर, which in English means house. च से चाय. In English it is known as tea. छ से छाता, which in English means umbrella. ज से जहाज, which in English means ship. झ से झंडा. ट से टमाटर, which in English means tomatoes. ठ से ठग, which in English means to bribe. D से डाकिया, in English it is known as postman. ढ से ढक्कन. त से तरबूज, which in English is known as watermelon. थ से थाली. द से दवात, दवात in English is known as ink. ध से धनुष, in English it is known as bow and arrow. न से नल. प से पतंग, पतंग in English is known as kite. फ से फल. ब से बकरी, बकरी in English is known as goat. भ से भालू. म से मछली, in English it is known as fish. य से यात्रा. र से रस्सी, which in English is known as rope. ल से लड़की. व से वन, which in English is known as forest. श से शलगम. श से षटकोण, in English it is known as pentagon. It is a shape. स से सेब. ह से हाथ, in English is known as hands. क्ष से क्षत्रिय, it is known as warrior in English. त्र से त्रिशूल. ज्ञ से ज्ञान, in हिंदी इसको ज्ञान बोलते हैं and in English it is known as knowledge. श्र. Thank you.